Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be talking about 5 meme coins to buy and hold for this altcoin season. Coins that will make 50,000x, 20,000x. Then if that's what you are looking for, then stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you're a seasonal investor or maybe you're a literature trader and you're looking for coin or meme coin to invest some money that will go massively this altcoin season, then this video is for you. On the last video, we made video of 10 crypto assets to buy and hold. Currently, those coins are made 10x, 5x. So the link to the video will be in the description. So if that's what you are looking for, then this video is for you. If you are new here, on this video, on this channel, we discuss about how to navigate the crypto world, both fundamentally and technically. And so if that's what you are looking for, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this channel on the comment section. As number 5 on our list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a well-known meme coin that has gained attention over the years and currently have the market cap of $9 billion with a price range of 0.00009521. So if you are looking for a meme coin project to invest your money into, then I think Shiba Inu is a key project to watch. As number 4 on our list, we have Bonk. Bonk is not just a meme coin, but a meme coin that have been gaining waves on the crypto space. Bonk has gained a lot of contracts on the crypto space and also have signed a lot of contract deals on a lot of blockchains. And a lot of contracts have been coming into the Bonk blockchain. So if you are looking to meme coin to invest your money into, I think Bonk will be a key project to watch, because Bonk has have about 1.4 billion market cap with the current price range of 0.0000172. So I think Bonk is a very good project to invest your money into, with a lot of potential coming into Bonk. At number 3 on our list is Baby Doge. Baby Doge is a meme coin that has been popular to the crypto enthusiasts and have attracted a lot of crypto investors with a market cap of $941 million. So if you're looking for a meme coin to buy, I think Baby Doge will be a key project to watch. So adding Baby Doge to your portfolio will be a good project for you. At number 2 on our list is Pepe Coin, almighty Pepe Coin. So Pepe Coin, I know that a lot of meme coin has created as a joke, but Pepe Coin has been leading the world of meme coin. Currently, as of last 6 months, Pepe has surged about 20,000%. For people that bought as of last 6 months, they have made a lot of money on the Pepe ecosystem. So if you're looking for a key project to buy, I think Pepe will be a key project in the meme coin space for you to buy and hold, with a market cap of about $4 billion. So Pepe has a lot of potentials, and also Pepe have fall back to the point of interest, that's the demand zone. So buying Pepe at this point will be a key good project for you. So I urge you that Pepe Coin is a good project to watch for you to buy this altcoin season. If you are still watching up to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment what you think about the video on the comment section. Subscribe for more videos like this. At number 1 on our list is Dogecoin, the OG of the meme coin. So Dogecoin is a coin that has been attracting a lot of crypto investors into its ecosystem, and also been popular to the crypto enthusiasts. Only the news of Elon Musk, the world's richest guy, being the owner of Doge, has been making Dogecoin currently to be soaring higher, and also attracting a lot of investors into Doge blockchain. So if you are looking for a coin or a very strong meme coin to buy with a strong community, then Dogecoin will be a key good project for you to invest your money into, because Dogecoin is with low price and high liquidity in the Dogecoin ecosystem. So Dogecoin will be a key good project for you to invest your money into. List of 5 meme coins to buy on this altcoin season. Hopefully this coin will make 50,000x, 20,000x, depending on the one you invested your money into, because this list is being analyzed fundamentally by big crypto analysts. So hopefully this is not a financial advice, this is just for educational purposes. So if you want more content like this, let me know on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more content like this. Thank you on your crypto journey.